Hello guys, I am right here again at Ambiance Foreshore to update you on how far the property is going. It's still on a pre-launch price, but congratulations to all our early bird investors for if you still have interest to invest here. We have still it has been extended to 21st of November. Thank you to all subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so that you can be having updates on my subsequent video. This is how far the project has gone. You can see the drainage going on. Some feeling is fast going. So key in now. We still have 300 square meter, 500 square meter view plot. So queuing in today still give you advantage on how to get it cheaper. Remember, like I said, investing in Ambiance Foreshore, you are getting 25% instantly on your investment. Thank you and remain tuned on this page.